Good morning, all of you. I S.K. Jain, PGT Commerce in KM Public School. Today I am here to represent the school on the occasion of National Consumer Rights Day. Every year, 24 December is observed as National Consumer Day with a specific theme in India. On this day, the Consumer Protection Act 1986 had received the assent of the President. The enactment of this act is considered as a historic milestone in the consumer movement in India. This day provides an opportunity for individuals to highlight the importance of the consumer movement and the need to make every consumer more aware of their rights and responsibilities. Anyone who consumes any goods or services and pays for it is considered as a consumer. So it has become important to celebrate National Consumer Day because the relationship between customer and seller involves money, and money is the most useful thing as well as the biggest threat to humanity. The Consumer Protection Act aims to provide consumer with effective safeguards against different types of exploitation such as defective goods, deficiency in services, and unfair trade practices. Here are some interesting quotes about the rights and responsibilities of the consumer. First, your customer doesn't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Second, your most unhappy customer are greatest source of learning. On the one hand, every great salesman or businessman believes that there is no biggest asset than a happy customer. But and on the other hand, almost every salesman misuses the consumer rights to earn his own profit. It is not easy to keep the consumer protected as every day there is a new scam and new techniques to exploit it, but people must be aware about it, which makes the significance of this day very important. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं गुंजन जैन कक्षा 10वीं की छात्रा आज राष्ट्रीय उपभोक्ता दिवस पर कुछ पंक्तियों के माध्यम से अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। भारत में 24 दिसंबर राष्ट्रीय उपभोक्ता दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। इस दिन उपभोक्ताओं को शोषण से बचाने के लिए उपभोक्ता संरक्षण अधिनियम 1986 लागू किया गया। भारत में इसकी शुरुआत सन 2000 से हुई। ये दिन इसलिए मनाया जाता है ताकि उपभोक्ताओं को उनके अधिकारों के प्रति जागरूक किया जा सके। हम में से हर व्यक्ति किसी न किसी रूप में उपभोक्ता है। उपभोक्ता संरक्षण अधिनियम 1986 के अनुसार कोई भी व्यक्ति जो अपने उपयोग के लिए सामान खरीदता है वह उपभोक्ता है। आज उपभोक्ता जमाखोरी, कालाबाजारी, मिलावट, अधिक दाम, कम नापतोल इत्यादि संकटों से घिरा है। उपभोक्ता क्योंकि संगठित नहीं है इसलिए हर जगह ठगा जाता है। इसलिए उपभोक्ता को जगना होगा और खुद को इन संकटों से बचाना होगा। हम सभी में से बहुत कम उपभोक्ता ही ये जानते होंगे कि उपभोक्ताओं के क्या अधिकार है। आइए उपभोक्ताओं के अधिकार जाने, जो कि निम्न हैं: सुरक्षा का अधिकार, प्रतिनिधित्व का अधिकार, चुनने का अधिकार, सूचना प्राप्ति का अधिकार, उपचार का अधिकार, उपभोक्ता शिक्षा का अधिकार, आधारभूत आवश्यकताओं का अधिकार, स्वच्छ वातावरण का अधिकार। उपभोक्ताओं को अपने इन अधिकारों का प्रयोग करना चाहिए। वस्तुएं खरीदते समय उन्हें अपने विवेक का पूरा प्रयोग करना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि विक्रेता ने जो कह दिया वह ठीक है। उपभोक्ताओं का यह भी दायित्व है कि उन्हें माल की क्वालिटी से कभी भी समझौता नहीं करना चाहिए। वस्तुएं खरीदने से पहले उन पर ISI, एगमार्क, हॉलमार्क, FPO आदि का चिन्ह देखना चाहिए। ये चिन्ह अच्छी क्वालिटी के प्रतीक हैं। उदाहरण के लिए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वस्तुएं खरीदने से पहले उन पर ISI का चिन्ह देखना चाहिए। कीमती आभूषणों को खरीदने से पहले उन पर हॉलमार्क का चिन्ह देखना चाहिए। कृषि संबंधी खाद्य वस्तुएं खरीदने से पहले उन पर एगमार्क का चिन्ह देखना चाहिए एवं अचार, जूस, मुरब्बा आदि वस्तुएं खरीदने से पहले उन पर FPO का चिन्ह देखना चाहिए। अंत में मैं आप सभी से यही कहना चाहूँगी, जागो ग्राहक जागो, अपने अधिकारों को पहचानो। धन्यवाद।
Good morning everyone. I am Jiten Kaushik of class 6A. Today I am going to tell you about National Consumer Rights Day. National Consumer Rights Day is celebrated in India on 24 December. The consumer movement in India started in the year 1966. In the year 1986, the Consumer Protection Bill was passed. The Consumer Protection Bill was passed to protect the rights of consumers. On December 24, the President of India signed the Consumer Protection Act. Hence, it was decided to celebrate National Consumer Rights Day on this day. National Consumer Rights Day was first celebrated in the year 2000. National Consumer Rights Day is celebrated to show the importance of the consumer movement and to make every consumer aware about their rights. This law protects the consumer from the sale of defective goods, loss of services, unfair trade practices, as well as being a victim of fraud, black marketing, etc. Under this law, consumer courts have been set up in every state where the consumer can make his complaint in a very simple way. International Consumer Rights Day was celebrated worldwide on 15 March. Thank you.
Today, I, Mayank Indra, a student of class 11, is here to give a speech on the theme Consumer Rights. So I am starting with the meaning of consumer rights. Consumer rights are very special set of rules which prevent huge frauds committed by huge business corporations. Consumer rights are important because they prevent the consumer and individual from unfair trade, fraud and scams. Constitutional laws. As many as 47 constitutions in the present day include some consumer rights to be enforced in their constitution. Consumer protection in India. In India, the most important consumer right fall under the title Consumer Protection Act of 1986. According to this law, not only the individual consumer, but a company, a group of consumer, an undivided Hindu family, all have the power to exercise their rights. The consumer rights mentioned in these laws are: first, the right to be protected from harmful and hazardous goods and services. The right to be informed in details about the quality as well as the performance of the good. The right to freedom of choice of goods and services. The right to the completion of consumer education. Keeping the condition of the consumer in mind, the Government of India and its Ministry of Consumer Affairs opened a nodal organization called the Department of Consumer Affairs to protect the consumers from frauds and unfair treatment. If there is an infringement of these rights, then a proper claim for redressal can be made in a consumer court. So in a nutshell, I would like to say, learn your rights and sleep well. That's the consumption, not to consume you. Know your rights, don't be fooled. Thank you.